Iya, jadi selamat siang. Balik lagi. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nicholas, kelas 12 IPA D. So this is my English homework. So I choose this topic about does technology promote our healthcare. So enjoy. So I will explain it slowly to you guys. Listen. Medical information technology is often thought of in the modern context of computers, but the careful collection and analysis of information related to observation of patient condition, effectiveness of different treatments, and design of new treatments dates back to the time of Hippocrates. Mantap, hayu. Google. Healthcare facilities, or we can call it buildings, can also be considered to be a form of technology. As with other forms of technology, physical facilities involve mutual interaction between users of the technology and the technology understand at which work. Okay. In a healthcare context, the physical facilities are often intimately interrelated with the staff and other technology that the building contains. Okay, wait. Another significant healthcare technology event occurred in the 1990s when NASA launched the first large-scale international healthcare technology project. So the impact of technology on healthcare are. The purpose of this section is to review the literature on the impacts of technology in healthcare. Evidence on the impact of technology in healthcare is mixed. Literature on technology impacts in healthcare have looked at both final outcome measures such as productivity or output or mortality, as well as intermediate performance measures such as error rates, cycle times, utilization, and complication. Anjay maba, luar hujan, jadi suaranya agak Studies drawing from technology literature based consistent with the literature on technology investment appear more likely to include complementary investment factors such as business process engineering, or we can call it BPR. Studies based in the medical literature paint more mixed view of outcomes technology investment. What is missing from this literature is a study that takes into account the unique nature of technology investment, as well as the unique context of healthcare. Theory and evidence about the impact of technology investments suggest that technology is a general purpose technology which often requires complementary investment to yield positive returns. Second one, lower search costs, which lower the variance of outcomes. Third one, facilitates the accumulation of memory capital over time. The fourth, lowers monitoring costs, speeds information diffusion, and exhibits network effects. While many of the potential impact of technology would seem to result in positive returns in healthcare, findings on the impact of technology in healthcare to date are mixed. Most studies on the impact of technology in healthcare have either used a rich understanding of technology investment. The second one used a simplified view of technology investment with a rich understanding of the particular phenomena which arise out of the unique context of healthcare. Okay, so many pervasive healthcare technology devices have undergone experimental trials in hospitals as well as in patient homes. Infrared technology, motion sensor, infrared detection or acoustical detection, video cameras, and so on that use wireless internet, ISDN, and telephone lines have been installed in healthcare facilities. Pervasive healthcare requires wireless technologies and the matching infrastructure capabilities. Pervasive services are supported through wireless LAN, cellular GSM, or we call it 3G networks, satellite-based system, and so forth. Pervasive healthcare applications include pervasive health monitoring, intelligent emergency management system, pervasive healthcare data access, and ubiquitous. Google Translate dulu. Ubiquitous. So the goal was to utilize ubiquitous communication technologies to improve patient autonomy and healthcare mobility through continuous monitoring. Other types of pervasive healthcare technology are enabled by portable topical sensors that integrate wireless technology with clinical devices. Tele-devices such as tele-ECG and ring sensor are worn by the patient for pervasive healthcare technology. Data such as ECG pulse rate, respiration rate, and oxygen saturation level is collected and forwarded to the healthcare providers automatically. This pervasive healthcare technology system, equipped with multiple sensors, is able to collect, process, and wirelessly transmit the received data through a secure link to a laptop for further diagnosis. Okay, wait. Okay, so the conclusion this topic are: the system can gather multiple clinical parameters and are able to operate autonomously without disturbing the lives of the patient. Pervasive healthcare technology is built on widely deployed wireless network and advanced computing technologies. Pervasive healthcare technology solutions have focused mainly on at-risk disease management. However, a growing market in the wide range of the healthcare field is ready to propel the development and consumption of pervasive healthcare technology. Done. Mantap. So this is my English homework. I hope you understand what I'm talking about in this video. So thank you. Mantap. Meroket.